In the world of high finance, there are legends, men and women who move markets, who command fortunes, and who operate in the shadows. But what if I told you that one of the most successful traders of our time is a ghost? A man who made nearly $3 billion on a single trade and then vanished, only to reappear to bet against the entire market. This is the story of a trader so secretive, he lives in a fortress-like tax haven, a man known only by his name, Bian Ximing. And this is how he orchestrated one of the greatest trades in modern history, timing the peak of a speculative bubble to the exact day and walking away with another $300 million. Who is Bian Ximing? And how did he become the undisputed king of futures? Get free access to our online trading course in the description and in the pinned comments. If you want to learn more about ETFs, more about the foreign exchange market, and more about basic financial literacy, then this is a must for you. Be sure to download it. Our story begins in early 2022. The world was on edge, inflation was soaring, and geopolitical tensions were rising. And investors were desperately searching for a safe haven. For centuries, that safe haven has been gold. And as the world flocked to the yellow metal, one man in China saw an opportunity not just for safety, but for a fortune unimaginable scale. His name was Bian Ximing. Operating through a little-known brokerage, he began to build one of the largest bullish positions on gold the Shanghai Futures Exchange had ever seen. While others bought gold to protect their wealth, Bian was using immense leverage to multiply it. He wasn't just hedging, he was making an all-in bet on a multi-year bull market. And he was right. For nearly 4 years, Bian held his position with unwavering conviction. He rode the wave as central banks bought gold at the fastest pace since the 1960s. He held as trade wars and global uncertainty pushed investors into panic. By the time the dust settled in late 2025, Bian had done the impossible. He had turned his bet into nearly $3 billion. He was crowned the king of futures in China, a legend, but like a ghost, just as he reached the pinnacle of success, he began to disappear from the gold market. He had his eyes on a new target, a metal known for its volatility, its industrial use, and its tendency to attract wild speculation: silver. Get free access to our online trading course in the description and in the pinned comments. If you want to learn more about ETFs, more about the foreign exchange market, and more about basic financial literacy, then this is a must for you. Be sure to download it. While gold is the king of precious metals, silver is its wild, unpredictable cousin. And in late 2025, silver went completely insane. A frenzy born on Chinese social media had taken hold. Millions of retail investors, often called Chinese aunties, a term for the powerful force of middle-aged female investors in China, began piling into silver. They were driven by tips on social platforms promising easy money through arbitrage plays on silver-backed funds. They weren't trading on fundamentals, they were chasing hype. And the market responded. The price of silver decoupled from reality, and in Shanghai it traded at a massive premium to the rest of the world. One silver fund was trading at a 60% premium to the actual silver it held. It was a classic speculative bubble, and for the moment Bian rode the wave up, making a quick 1.3 billion yuan on a long position. But he knew this couldn't last. He knew the difference between a fundamentally driven bull market, like the one he rode in gold, and a speculative mania fueled by hype. And so in November 2024, he began to do something extraordinary. He started to bet against the frenzy. He started to short silver. Calling the top of a bubble is one of the hardest things to do in trading. Many have tried and been wiped out. Bian's first attempts were costly. The silver mania had more momentum than he anticipated. He was forced to liquidate some of his early shorts at a loss as the price screamed higher. But he was not deterred. In the final week of January 2026, he went all in. As millions of retail investors were euphorically buying, convinced the price would go up forever, Bian was quietly building the largest net short position on the entire Shanghai Futures Exchange. On January 28th, his short position stood at 18,000 contracts. By January 30th, the very day silver hit an all-time high in Shanghai, he had increased his bet to a staggering 28,000 contracts. It was a position equivalent to 450 tons of physical silver. A direct, massive bet against the irrational exuberance of the market. And then it happened. The bubble burst. In the first week of February, silver prices collapsed by more than 16%. The retail investors who had piled in at the top were wiped out. Their dreams of easy money evaporated in an instant. But for the Ghost of Gibraltar, it was a payday. His perfectly timed short position generated a paper gain of 2 billion yuan. That's nearly 300 million US dollars. He had stared in the heart of a market mania and hadn't flinched. He had taken on millions of euphoric speculators and won. He had called the top to the day. So who is this man? Who is the trader with the iron will and perfect timing? The truth is, almost nobody knows. Bian Ximing is a ghost. He avoids the limelight, gives no interviews, and spends most of his time in the reclusive, fortified tax haven of Gibraltar. He is described as a plastics billionaire, suggesting his initial fortune came from industry, not trading. But it's in the futures market that he has become a living legend. Unlike the flashy, media-hungry traders of Wall Street, Bian is a recluse. His only public presence is through his online writings on investment philosophy, where he has garnered a loyal following in China. His philosophy seems to be one of deep fundamental analysis, patience, and extreme conviction. He waits for the perfect pitch, and when he sees it, he swings with everything he has. He saw it in gold in 2022, and he saw it in the silver bubble of 2026. He understood that the gold rally was driven by powerful, long-term global forces, central banks, geopolitics, and debt. He also understood that the silver rally was driven by nothing more than hype and greed, a house of cards waiting for a gust of wind. He provided that gust of wind. Bian Ximing's story is more than just a tale of incredible trading success. It's a stark reminder of the brutal nature of financial markets. It shows how a single, patient, and disciplined trader can systematically dismantle the irrational hopes of millions. It reveals the vast difference between investing based on fundamentals and gambling based on hype. While the Chinese aunties and other retail speculators were chasing a fantasy on social media, Bian was operating on a different level. He was trading reality. His 3 billion gold trade was a masterclass in riding a long-term trend. His $300 million silver short was a masterclass in profiting from human folly. He remains a ghost, a whisper in the markets, a billionaire who lives in a fortress whose moves are only seen after the fact. In the wreckage of the market he has conquered. The king of futures, the Ghost of Gibraltar, a legend who proves that in the game of markets, the house doesn't always win. Sometimes the ghost in the machine does. I hope you've enjoyed this documentary on the Ghost of Gibraltar. Please hit that like and subscribe button for more legendary trading documentaries. Get free access to our online trading course in the description and in the pinned comments. If you want to learn more about ETFs, more about the foreign exchange market, and more about basic financial literacy, then this is a must for you. Be sure to download